pickups that I got from the Sneaker Invasion hosted by the Urban Collab. Now, of course, I want to do a separate video of this because, this deserves its own video. Even though it doesn't look like I have trimmed a bit, this is definitely something that I think is pretty dope. So we better go ahead and get straight into it. So first off, got this really dope hat called Winch Off Kicks. Really dope hat. Pretty really dope. The detailing on it, very clean, very dope. The smiley face with the money sign on it. And of course, this is their business card right here. Hopefully I can see that. Very, very dope. Then of course, this is their IG, Vibeswear203. Very, very dope. Make sure that follow them on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, or Twitter, whichever one. Do they have a YouTube channel? No. They have a website as well. Make sure that go follow them. Very dope hat. I'm not a hat person, to be honest, but it is pretty dope. I'm gonna see if my dad wants it because he do wear a hat, so I think he'll definitely like this. Tossed out right there. Now this, I needed more sneaker cleaning, and I got a lot of shit that I need to clean. So we have they're called Shoutout. Pretty dope. I'm actually gonna do a video on them just to see like how it works and all that. But pretty much they're pretty dope. Came with a lot of things, like comes with this bag, very, very professional. Like it's really nice looking bag. I'm not entirely sure it does. It does tell me what comes with in the bag. Then it got like this really dope mat. Very, very dope mat. Pretty clean. Popping in. It's probably gonna be like for my shoes and stuff. I'm not gonna take everything out, but as you can see, it has like the shoe cleaner, the brush, and the bag. Very, very dope. Like pretty professional. And I got it for $20. So the moment he said $20, I had to get it. Like I said, I needed more sneaker cleaning, so I definitely cannot wait to clean my shoes with this. I'm definitely gonna try to do a video on it as well. I try to give you guys my honest opinion on it. Shoes is pretty dope. And then here's the Instagram, Twitter, whatever socials they have. You can even scan the QR code right there. Make sure you guys follow them. They're pretty dope. Like I said, I definitely cannot wait to see how that sneaker cleaning goes. So the next one we got, I got a whole outfit for this one. We got a brand called Young Kings. Really nice packaging and everything like that. I'm gonna go ahead and open this real quick. I would love that pattern. I'm about to keep that. So here we have the shirt. Very, very clean. Woo! This shirt is dope. Now, what should I do with this shirt? But they didn't have anything else in my size besides this, so I figured why not? I'll take it. Definitely a dope summer shirt, of course. And then we got the shorts as well. These shorts fire too. These shorts are fire. I'm gonna try to get a closer look on both the shirt and the shorts. These shorts is pretty fire. I really like them. Definitely cannot wait to rock them. I don't know if I'm gonna rock them around this time summer, or I'm gonna wait till my vacation, because I am going on vacation in December. So we'll see what happens on that. They do have an IG, so if you just type this in, Young Kings, just follow them if they have an Instagram, or like I said, shout out to them. I really appreciate the outfit. We have a hoodie. Y'all know, hoodie season is kind of over, not really, but very, very dope packaging. This is dope. I seen that table. They have some really nice shirts that they have in my size, but they have a hoodie, and I figured why not? And this is gonna go well with my 7s, so these are fire. So yep, go ahead and back up real quick. This shirt is clean. Like I said, I'm gonna try to detail look of it. different angle, but these joints are fire. They got like one of those little light things that you would see at the airport. So that these are pretty clean. These are pretty fire, in my honest opinion. Very, very dope. Very clean. Make sure to give out the full look of it. Well, I didn't have ass in it, but that's dope. Anything on the back? Nope. But this is a dope hoodie. Like I love the feel of it. Like it's soft. I love the feel. I like the logo. It's a dope looking shirt. Again, make sure y'all follow them. What's they called? Fly Zone. Make sure y'all follow Fly Zone. Very, very dope. And here's their Instagram, Twitter, all that. I can pause the video if y'all want. So make sure y'all follow them on all their socials and YouTube as well. Unless they got. Nah, they don't got a YouTube, but you know, make sure y'all follow them. Very, very dope people. Now, I just said I wasn't gonna buy no shoes, but I couldn't pass up one. I just couldn't. And I'm actually wearing them on my feet right now. The boy got some Yeezy slides. Yes, sir. Yeezy slides. Like, honestly, I'm just surprised I even got a pair. We have the Ochres, however you pronounce it, honestly. Size 13, because Yeezy slides doing one small. You got them on my feet. And here it is. These shoes are pretty dope. Just putting them on my feet, they're pretty clean. They look dope on my feet, and they're pretty comfortable. I haven't tried them without the socks. Got socks on them. Of course, they are used. But I got them for a pretty decent price, $170. I think he said $180. You should burn it down $10 for like fuck it. I'll take it for $170. Like, I gotta do to clean these up. They look good. These joints fire. And of course, I got him. I already follow him on Instagram, but got it from I Hug Kicks. Make sure that I follow him on Instagram, Twitter, all that. Make sure that I follow him. Very, very dope guy. Like, these joints comfortable. But anyways, that's gonna be it for this pickup video. Very, very dope stuff. I like everything that I got. The hoodie, the outfit, the slide, the hat. Even though I feel like I'm not gonna wear it, so I might give it to my dad, cause I know he would like hats like that. Like, just in general, everything that I got was really, really great. Again, though, shout out to the Urban Collab by Sneaker Invasion for the event. It was really dope. And shout out to the people that I caught from. Make sure y'all follow their socials in the description and all that. So, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and share the video with my video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I will really appreciate it. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram so you guys get updated on when I post. And yeah. Nah, I'm just playing. The next video that I will be doing is coming up in May. Definitely stay tuned for that. I don't know what other video I'm gonna do afterwards. We'll see what happens. So, thank you guys for watching, and peace.